In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the thank you page in WooCommerce. If you're managing an online store using WooCommerce, knowing how to locate this page is crucial, as it's where customers land after a successful purchase. This page confirms their order, and it's an ideal place for you to share additional offers, ask for feedback, or simply thank your customers for their purchase. Let's dive in and take a closer look at how to find and make the most of this important page. Firstly, it's essential to understand that in WooCommerce, the thank you page URL is automatically generated by the system. Typically, this URL is structured as your website.com, checkout, order, received. The order received endpoint is a part of this URL, indicating that it's the page customers are directed to once they've completed their purchase. By familiarizing yourself with this default structure, you'll have an easier time identifying and accessing your thank you page in future interactions. Now, to make sure you have the correct URL or to access it for customization purposes, you can start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate to WooCommerce in the sidebar menu and click on Settings. From the WooCommerce Settings page, you'll want to go to the Advanced tab. This tab hosts the various page settings including your checkout, account, and endpoint settings. Now, under the Advanced tab, locate the Checkout Endpoints section. This is where you'll confirm that your order received endpoint is correctly set, and it displays the default setting as Order Received. However, if you're looking for a more tailored reference or have modified these settings previously, you can adjust them according to your preference. Furthermore, customizing this thank you page can greatly enhance customer experience and potentially lead to more sales. Consider adding post-purchase information pertinent to your customers, such as order tracking details or links to support for post-sales inquiries. Another tip is to offer discounts on future purchases or suggest additional products based on their recent buy. By optimizing this page, you improve customer satisfaction and foster an opportunity for continued engagement. Finally, if you ever decide to make adjustments to your thank you page using a theme or plugin, it's crucial to verify the changes on a test order. This step ensures that all customizations are functional and aesthetically pleasing. Remember, keeping testing environments separate from your live site is a best practice for maintaining a seamless experience for your customers. And there you have it. You now know how to locate and personalize your WooCommerce thank you page, turning a confirmation into an enhanced customer interaction. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful e-commerce tips.